Hello, facts lovers. Today we are here with some facts about New Delhi, the capital of India. So here we go. Fact number 1. New Delhi and Delhi are two different places. Surprising fact about Delhi, right? But yes, it's true. New Delhi and Delhi are two different places altogether. With New Delhi serving as the capital of the country and Delhi being the more substantial city within, which New Delhi is a territory designed by the British while shifting the money from Calcutta to Delhi. New Delhi is known to be seat to the three arms of the government of India: legislative, executive and the judiciary. Fact number 2. The Lotus Temple in Delhi is the world's only structure of the Baha'is faith in Asia. This place of worship is a super popular attraction that is open to all, regardless of religion or background. Fact number 3. Delhi is the home to the largest market of spices in Asia. The Khari Bauli market, established in 17th century, still holds its reputation to date. Situated very close to Fatehpuri Masjid, this market has a fantastic fragrance spread across the area, attracting the tourists and city dwellers to its doorstep. Fact number 4. Delhi is a leading commercial center of India. Being the capital of country, Delhi is one of the leading commercial centers within the northern part of India. Along with the manufacturing and sales, Delhi also has vast and rapidly growing retail industries. Fact number 5. The Delhi Transportation Corporation, along with other public transport services in Delhi, is entirely run on compressed natural gas, that is CNG. From the well-known DTC buses to the auto rickshaws, all are fueled with CNG to keep the pollution in check. Fact number 6. Delhi is home to a unique museum of toilets. As ludicrous as this fact about Delhi sounds, the Museum of Toilets offer a perfect message on the history of sanitation. It is known as the Sulabh International Museum and is managed by Sulabh International, which aims to spread the word of hygiene across the globe. The museum was established in 1992 by Dr. Bindeshwar Pathak. Fact number 7. Delhi was once bound by 14 gates. Delhi was surrounded by 14 gates initially, out of which only 5 still stand. The Kashmiri Gate, built by Robert Smith in 1835, is the northernmost gate of the city. The Ajmeri Gate, constructed in 1644, considerably faces Ajmer. The Lahori Gate is the main entrance into the Red Fort. The Delhi Gate, also known as the Delhi Darwaza, is another way into the Red Fort. Lastly, the Turkman Gate, built during the 13th century, is located in Shahjahanabad. Fact number 8. Delhi hosted the most expensive Commonwealth Games to date. The 2010 Commonwealth Games held in Delhi is the most expensive, which hasn't beaten by any country yet. Fact number 9. Delhi is currently the second most populated city in the world. Well, being the capital of the country, which holds the second position in being the most populous country after China, this fact isn't a shocker. The population of Delhi comes around 25 million according to the census 2015. The world's most populated city is Tokyo. Fact number 10. Delhi is home to the tallest minaret in the world. Yes, you guessed it correctly, it's Qutub Minar. The construction of this beautiful minar began to 1200 AD by the Delhi Sultanate Qutb al-Din Aibak and still stands gracefully within the city. Fact number 11. Delhi has the 13th largest metro rail network in the world. The Delhi metro station stands in the 13th position in the entire world, with the length of the station being 193 kilometers. Also, the yellow lines on the station are uniquely designed to guide blind people. The Delhi metro system was voted the second best in the world. Fact number 12. Delhi is the largest city in India. The capital has lot of 11 political zones which are further divided into 95 police stations. Fact number 13. Delhi is also called Lutyens' Delhi, as the capital was designed by the British architects Sir Herbert Baker and Edwin Lutyens. The city is also known as Lutyens' Delhi to honor his contribution. Fact number 14. Delhi is the second most bird-rich capital in the world. After Nairobi, Kenya, Delhi stands as second most bird-rich capital in the world. The Delhi ridge inhabits a large number of bird species. Delhi is one of the greenest metropolitan cities of India with a 20% forest cover. Fact number 15. Delhi also has the largest wholesale market of fruits and vegetables in Asia. Along with the spice market, Delhi also occupies the largest wholesale market of fruits and vegetables in Asia. The Azadpur market is approximately around 80 acres. So friends, if you like these facts and if you like this video, then please hit the like button and share this video, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.